Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to start cleaning using your ROBOROCK QRevo edge. So here, as you can see, we have our robot, and to start cleaning we need to tap this unpause icon, to play icon actually. Once we tap that, starting to clean, cleaning. I click here back to dock because I don't have the water and don't have everything actually. So here now, as I can see, we're here in dock still. So that's how it works. Just tap this button and you can clean. Back to dock. Return to charging. I don't like the way how this performs here, but it will just go this way to dock. And that's how it works. Goodbye.